Watch out. Yeah, professional coming through. Happy New Year, welcome back to the channel. I am back in Madison, Wisconsin. I was here in a previous video and I came back. Actually, I featured this hotel in that video, so if you've not seen that, you'll want to check that out, as I did the best and the worst hotels. Couple things. First, I've not skated, and second of all, I'm going ice skating on the roof of this hotel. Stay tuned, let's go. It's a real small ice rink, but that's because it's actually on the roof of part of the rooms here at the Edgewater Hotel. They're actually on the roof, and you'll see more information on this hotel and kind of how this works in my previous video, so make sure you check that out. But you're going to witness me getting on ice skates. Some blades and ice. First time. Just does not sound like a good combination. Let's go give this a try and see what happens. You know what that is? That's the Zamboni. I'm still to this day not 100% sure what they do. Do they just smooth the ice? Do they scrape the ice, put on another layer of water and let it freeze? I don't know what it is. But Zamboni is a fun word to say. I am ready, I think. This is really weird. First of all, I just grew about 4 inches here. This is what a taller guy feels like. Kind of like it, actually. Second of all, this is quite dangerous. I really don't think they want me doing this. We'll see what the people's reaction behind me will be. Whoa! Oh my God. Step at a time. Waddle, waddle. Whoa. All right, let's see if this is kind of like rollerblading here. No? Maybe? Possible? I don't want to curse myself, but I haven't fallen yet. Oh. See that? I need one of those. Or I just need to grab onto the waist of a pro here. This is quite dangerous. And I'm creating a traffic jam here. Okay, these little kids over here are show-offs. They're doing this quite well. I think I've got it down. You hold the rail, and off you go. I'll show you what I mean here. Just gotta grab the rail. But people aren't letting me by the rail. See, they see these newbies like me out here, and I think everyone just blocks the rail. Whoa, whoa. YouTuber going down. All right, I'm working on it. Let's see here. Grab the rail, go a little at a time. That's my pace right there. I'm at a funny angle right now, and there's a perfectly good reason for that, because they got one of those cheap things. It's helping. I think I'm going about half a mile an hour faster now. Raise your hand if you're having fun and enjoying this. Better yet, give this a thumbs up. Watch out. Yeah, professional coming through. You know, I think it would be okay if it was more ice and like less snow or frost on it. I just feel like the blade of the skate keeps getting caught in it. So far, I've not gone down yet. But it just started. Maybe ending soon. You know, I might be able to say I've gone skating and I've never fallen. But I had to stop now to be able to have that title because I can't promise that's how it's going to stay. So I think part of the secret of this is you don't look down at your feet. Do the best you can, but don't look down. Who was the mastermind that came up with ice skating? You know, somebody said, I'm going to put some sharp blades on the bottom of a shoe that's really uncomfortable and then go on ice. Whose idea was this? And why am I following our idea? So far, I'm still standing. I'm still standing after all this time. I look at some of these kids here. Some of these little kids, real young, and they just zoom right by me. Like they've been doing this for 20 years, but they can't be older than 4. Maybe 6. This is crazy, I'm telling you. If you ever want to see your life flash in front of your eyes really quick, try ice skating. Stop calling me dramatic. I think I found something harder than ice skating. Walking on ice skates without the ice. I think it's actually worse. Like a duck waddle. For my first time ice skating, I think I did okay. I didn't fall. It took a moment or so to figure out how to walk regular again, but I think I got that down. It was fun. I'm just very thankful that nobody took me down. And that is ice skating here at the Edgewater Hotel in Madison, Wisconsin. I've got a link to the hotel if you'll ever find yourself here. Subscribe to the channel for future travel and attractions and crazy adventures, and you'll see me on the next one. Hey, before you go, if you click on the logo, that will allow you to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you have nothing else to do right now, go ahead and click on one of the other videos and binge watch.